Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about that how we can download a free logo for our business from Google. So let's start. First you have to click on your Google Chrome browser. Once you click on your Google browser, just you have to search here hfullshopify.com. See, I have typed here. After that click on search button. Once you click on search button, a page will appear of that website. We have to just click on the get started button. Once you click on the get started button, it will ask you that of which category you want to make your logo. Like if you have to make your logo for fashion, you can click on the fashion, or if you want to make your logo for food and drink, so you can make your video for food and drink. Okay, so I have decided here that I have to make a logo for technology video, so I will just click on tech. Okay, I will just click on tech and click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, another page will open which will ask you that choose your visual style, that of which style you want to make your logo. Like I have to make classic, so you can click on the classic. Okay, so it will take only 3 options. Okay, so it can take maximum 3, so I have taken already 3 here, that is creative, energetic and strong. Once you click on this, click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, you have to just one page will appear, that is add your business name. You have to type your business name here. So I will type here Ashish Tech. Okay, just for an example. And it will also ask you that please type one slogan. So I have already typed here never give up. Okay, once you fill this 2 boxes, just click on the next button and another page will open which will ask you that tell us where the logo will be used. That it is asking that this logo where you want to use. So if you want to use this logo on online store or website or social media or business card, so you can click all the check boxes here. Okay, now just click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you can see that your logo is ready to appear. So you can check them out and you can choose any of them which you want. Okay, like I am choosing this logo. Okay, so this logo, after choosing this logo, you can just click on the next button, and once you click on the next button, it is ready to download. Okay, ready for download. So just you can see here that it is showing the this logo will appear in YouTube like this. Okay, and on Facebook like this. It is showing that this logo will appear like this in different platforms. Okay, so just click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, it is loading. Wait. Yes, once you click on the download button, it will directly send to your mail ID. That I have already entered my mail ID here. So if you are doing the first time, you have to just enter your mail ID and password. Once you entered it, you can easily download this from this website. Thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.